members of the team that they need to reach the market. It's not only a CEO, it's a CTO, it's sometimes a CMO, so it's a full-time team and the whole team.
The team, the achievables of the team, previous experience.
El equipo que nosotros buscamos es emprendedor comprometido con la compañía, con miras internacionales y que pueda llevar la compañía pues, a siguientes rondas de financiación, ir a un VC americano a hacerle el pitch y levantar 5 millones de euros. Además de que evidentemente pues, sepa de su sector y sea moldeable también en ciertos aspectos y que quiera aprender.
The ability to quickly iterate. So an accelerator is a period of 4 months where you will get a lot of input and you need to be able to filter which one is valuable input and which one is not so valuable. And based on that you need to keep growing and growing and growing. Your team, your strategy, your go-to-market, your traction, all those things need to improve quite a lot between the period of an accelerator, because if not, what will happen and what happens plenty of times is that you burn those months, and at the end of those months you again need to start fundraising. You don't have the right metrics, you don't have the right team, you don't have the right understanding of your industry, and then fundraising becomes pretty hard. So the opportunity of an accelerator, the opportunity of Wayra, it's all about using those months to be ready either to bootstrap your company or to raise money on good terms.
The milestones that they have reached much more in detail.
Kind of key milestones that a startup has to reach that then show you, okay, now it's the right time. I think it's obviously like having a decent amount of traction, so users that really show that there's product market fit and that the startup is growing. And I think growth is really key here, so that there's a really strong growth and that one can see the trajectory, and that then show, okay, now it makes sense to bring in more capital and really bring more network in and to leverage it then.
The plan for the next future, in the US there is a very good way that is runaway and equinox. Equinox is when you are dead, you pass, you cannot be invested more. But the runaway, how long do you want to survive with this money, and which are your main milestones for this money? And here people do not explain a lot this. So I would say that this is very important. Milestones and runaway.
It has to be a market, the bigger, the better.
Que sea cuanto más escalable mejor para nosotros.
And much money, because we see that 200,000 euros on average per investment is not a lot of money for some projects that they want to compete internationally.
I think one big step will be if they start to raise the right amount of money, because a lot of times they are asking for too little money, which will not allow them to prove their case and raise further round. So a lot of times they are just buying several months, and after those months they will not have enough traction to raise a significant funding round. They will not be in the situation to break even, and they are just extending the problem a couple of months.